Understanding the fundamental principles of health, longevity, and well-being is crucial for achieving long-term vitality. The 100+ Living Plan for you and your family has 5 pillars that need to be shored up if we're going to live to a healthy 100. And those 100 years are for our generation with our 40-year late start. I'm expecting my kids to break through 100 and hit 120 based on today's neurological-based strategies. Now, the 5 pillars don't have any particular order, but what we want to do is identify the area that is most lacking in your family's health toolkit. 100+ attitude is more than just thinking happier thought. It's a deliberate strategy to infuse joy and fulfillment into our families. In fact, happiness is completely overrated. I want all of you to be joyful, from the tops of your head right down all the way to the soles of your feet. I want you to radiate joy, contentment, and satisfaction with the life you're creating. 100+ Fitness is a game plan for durability, not how you necessarily look in the bathroom mirror. How you exercise for longevity is not what you think. And the research is clear. It's easier than how most people think about fitness in our hyper-driven culture of CrossFit and ultramarathons. Obviously, if you have some specific health goals, we may need to stretch the 100+ living principles for that bucket list event, but there are strategies that are built for longevity that look very different from what most exercise gurus are preaching today. 100+ neurology is where I've seen the biggest gap in understanding. Even with highly educated and health-conscious families, they are falling short in supporting their brain, nervous system, and spinal cord health. I'll not be surprised if the 100+ neuro assessment will blow your mind and reveal some significant blind spots in your performance and longevity strategy. But don't worry, there's a solid plan to close that gap and ensure you and your family are some of the healthiest people you know. 100+ nutrition is a very unique approach. It's based on your genetic code rather than blood work that can change based on a multitude of factors. A genetic approach allows us to really drill down on what is unique about your family history, the diseases that your parents and grandparents suffered with, and specifically target your nutrition to deal with that. No fad diets here. Just real food, evidence-based nutrition with clear-cut goals and objectives. Dr. Google and ChatGPT have no business building your family's nutritional strategies. 100+ relationship is a bigger deal than a lot of people think. Longevity is intimately connected to long-term trusting relationships. We see consistently throughout the longevity literature that your social network has a direct correlation with how long you'll live and your health outcomes and vitality on the way through. 100+ living is way more than a number or a target. Of course, the number matters, but this really is a roadmap to a new paradigm. If you haven't listened or read the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People in a while, I encourage you to go back and check out Stephen Covey talking about the concept of changing paradigms and how having the wrong paradigm is like having a map of New York City. Meanwhile, you're driving around Chicago. You can press in harder, drive faster, but all you'll do is get to the wrong place faster. Our modern day healthcare system is using a New York City map and wondering why cancer, heart disease, and depression is skyrocketing. Meanwhile, the human body's map is for a completely different city. So if you're stuck in your ways with a New York City map, I'm really going to frustrate you. But if you and your family are ready for a change based on solid scientific evidence, based on strategies with my 3-decade track record of helping families get well and stay well, you're going to love every minute. Somehow, I think you're ready to start reading the right map and restoring your health and live in abundant health.